We are learning to use a checklist to edit our writing. Here is a checklist that you can use for your own writing every day. When you've finished your writing and you're happy with it, you can grab your red pen and use these boxes to make some changes. The first one says, I can form lowercase and uppercase letters correctly. Now you can check this on your alphabet chart. If you need to make changes, use your red pen, and then when you're happy, you can tick the circle. The next one says, I can use one joining word per sentence, and, but, or, because. So you really should only have one and in each sentence. And if that's something you need to check, use your red pen, fix it up, tick the circle. The next one says, I can add more detail to my story using verbs and adjectives. Is your story a bit boring? Does it tell us everything we need to know? If the boy is running, is he running fast? Is he running slow? Think about how you can add more detail. Use your red pen, tick the circle when you've made those changes. I can capitalize the word I. Just remember that I, when used as a word, needs to be capital. Once you've checked those, fixed up the words you need to, tick the circle. I can use finger spaces between each word. Again, check and tick. I can use a capital letter to begin every sentence. Check, tick. I can use a capital letter at the beginning of names. Now that's really important. You know that your name starts with a capital letter. Well, all names start with a capital letter. So if you've written your brother's name, your cousin's name, your auntie's name, whoever's name, your friend's name, make sure they have a capital letter at the beginning. Use your red pen to check and correct, and then put a tick in the box. I can use full stops at the end of every sentence. Again, important. Check and tick. Correct any sentences that you need to. I can stretch my hearing words to write all the sounds. Beginning sound, middle sound, and ending sound. Maybe you've been in a hurry to get things written, and that's okay. Just go back to those hearing words and make sure you've listened for all the sounds. If you need to, use your red pen to correct those words, and then check the box with a tick. I can spell looking words correctly. Now, if I've got any looking words up on the board, there's no excuse for those to be incorrectly spelt. Just go and check, make sure your book matches what's written on the board. Also, there's sometimes some looking words on your picture prompt in your book, so that's even easier to check. You can use this checklist every day when you've finished your writing to make sure that it's even better. Have a go. Bring it to me when you think you've checked all of these things.